This is one of my favorite products. One of my favorite products. It's from HoMedics. HoMedics has been here at QVC for 20 probably plus years. They are a company who cares about us. They care about our personal well-being. That's why this is in Wellness Wednesday. Denise Repko cares about us, and she brings us all kinds of great wellness type products, including Tommy Copper. But this is one of those items that stretches you and stretches your back, your shoulders, your neck, everything, and does it while you just lay there and enjoy it. And I'm not kidding you. And by the way, when this was at today's special value, it was $179. Right now, for some weird reason, it's $159. I don't care what the reason, I'm just telling you, get it now while it's at $159.98, because that price is going up at the end of the day. I can't tell you how many people I've recommended this to, because that's how much I love it. I look forward to it. Denise Repko, welcome.
I'm not sure which camera I'm on.
You just do your thing. We'll figure it out.
I'm going to tell you guys, me and my girlfriends and I just got back from a trip from Costa Rica. We were on an airplane for 5.5 hours. We were on a shuttle bus for 3 hours, then another shuttle bus, then another car. My back is killing me, and if I had enough time last night when I got home at midnight to get on this, I would have absolutely loved to stretch out my back, because stretching is a form of exercise. It's essential. It's so important to all of us. As we age, our muscles get shorter, they get tighter, they get stiffer, things become more brittle, it gets harder. This, you don't have to know how to stretch, don't know a thing about stretching. There are 8 different programs and precision-filled air compression chambers that inflate and deflate in certain sequences. Now, HoMedics has been around for decades. They have worked with massage therapists, they've worked with yoga instructors to simulate these stretches. You just push a button and lay there, and this will stretch you out. It grows with you. If you're a beginner, bend your knees and cross your arms in front of your chest. Pick one of the 8 different stretch sessions they have. As you become looser and feel better, how about putting your arms at your sides? Maybe lengthen out your legs just a little bit more. If you want advanced level stretching, lengthen your legs out all the way, bring your arms up over your chest. If something feels particularly good, there's a pause button on here that you can hold that position and breathe in and out and let everything soften and relax naturally. Or you can even add vibration. So it's just the best way, especially if you have issues and you know you need to stretch, don't have time to stretch, or don't know how to stretch.
And let me just say, this is actually retail valued at $320. I mean, our TSV price was $179, which was phenomenal. This is the one that I say is, you know, one of the best ones you can get, because it doesn't just have 6 programs, it has 8. It does side stretches as well as, you know, laying flat on your back. You can actually go on your side. It has the vibrations as well. But one other thing I wanted to tell you was that not only does his price go up at the end of the day, and you're getting a better price than it was at a today's special value, but we're giving you reduced shipping and handling. So we just took it from $15.47 down to $9.47, saving you more money. Now here's the other part I love. Each of those programs is only about, what, 15 minutes approximately?
About 15 minutes approximately long. And just so you know, too, you do not have to lay down on the floor. You can put this on a firm sofa or a firm bed. A lot of people might have issues with getting up and down on the floor. Don't worry. This weighs 10.5 pounds. It holds up to 275. And as Mary Beth said, you just turn it on and then you make a selection. So you're either going to choose twist, flow, energize, stretch, unwind, recover, side stretch, and lower back. Side stretch and lower back are brand new. There's your levels of intensity for vibration. It's about 15 minutes long through the process. You could do this as many times as you like throughout the day. You don't have to make an appointment to go anywhere. You don't have to get dressed a certain way to go stretch, have anybody touch you. You simply lay down on this mat. And we've got great claims that even tell you about stretching, how important it is. Stretching is a form of exercise. It could be a warm up to your exercise. It could be a cool down to your exercise. But the bottom line is it's beneficial to mobility, to flexibility.
Look at that.
Right. I mean, and that's a hard stretch to do. As a former yoga instructor, I will tell you not everybody understands how to stretch, knows how to do it safely.
Yeah.
But it helps protect our mobility, and this needs to happen on a regular basis. Stretching can help to increase your flexibility. And of course, it helps relieve minor muscle aches and pains. My back is so stiff and tight from sitting in a fixed position. So if that's you, maybe commuting, if it's you at an office desk, or maybe you have repetitive movements where you're picking up children or grandchildren, and you just life in general. This is something beautiful, effortless, comfortable, soothing, relaxing, and beneficial. But there are the 7 precision controlled chambers that inflate and deflate in these sequences. HoMedics has done this study for you, the work for you, worked with the yoga instructors, worked with the stretch instructors to come up with these different types of airbags that lift and lower, inflate and deflate in certain sequences to emulate or replicate these types of stretches, so you don't have to move your body by standing and twisting and reaching and turning into a pretzel. That's not what this is about. This is you lay down, you relax. This feels like a soft t-shirt, jersey t-shirt, bolster for your bottom, a removable and movable pillow. There's even a little pouch for your attached remote. You don't need batteries. This plugs in. When you're done with it, it folds down. It has a handle for convenient carrying, only weighs 10.5 pounds. So everything about this says breathe, relax, lengthen, stretch, and let HoMedics do the work for you.
Can I just tell you how many times I start one program, it ends in 15 minutes. I don't say anything to my husband about, oh, my program just ended.
Over.
I just start another one. Because it's so good. I love to do this when I get home from work after I've been standing for hours. And I'll just lay down on this. I'll turn some music on my phone, and I'll just zen out.
I'm with you.
And it feels so good. And you know what? Here's the thing. I have tried to do stretching in all kinds of ways. I'm not a big yoga person, but I've tried stretches. You know what? I don't know how far to stretch. And I've ended up hurting myself.
That can happen,
All I have to do here is lay down, and it will do the stretching for you. And you know what else is super cool? It comes up, holds, goes a little bit higher, holds, and then lets it down. Because what it's doing is doing it the right way. And I'm going to tell you once again, this is, as a today's special value, it was $179. You're at $159 for one day here, and then this price goes up. Quickly go to the phones, get this while it's on Easy Pay, get it while you're getting it at this lower, reduced shipping and handling price, and get it while you can. Denise?